Okay, so quick update before I go to Napa. I just pulled off the driver's side valve cover, and this section of the gasket doesn't appear to have ever actually sealed correctly. There's a cut here and here. It really makes it look like my whole oil leak might just be this. So, we'll see. I hate noon, and I hate to do this, but I have to tear everything back apart. After I poured coolant in, I noticed a persistent dripping, so somewhere within the water pump assembly, I fucked something up, and it's leaking. So right now I'm draining the fluid, pulling it back apart, and hoping that I can get it done today. Coolant was running down a runoff channel from the back of the water pump at the side. So long story short, I've been sitting here waiting for FedEx to arrive. They should be here anytime. All right. First attempt at starting this little pig. See what happens.
It's an 89, that's for sure, but she's running the road. She can make it up to 20+%. She's doing fine. The main road coming up was, we grade checked it, and it was a 20.1% average coming up.